Hello everyone, this is St. Maroon School, Beit Din, and I'm teacher Sandra again. This video is for grade 5 and we will continue with our revision with Do Something Different 3. In this video, we will revise the simple past tense, but before we start, I want to remind you with the helping verbs is and am, they are in the present, in the past, they become was, and are in present, it becomes were. The simple past tense is the easiest tense to write in English. We will talk about its forms with verbs to be and verbs to do, or the action verbs. Let's start with to be. The positive form of the past simple tense is subject and then was or were plus the complement of the sentence. The negative form subject then was or were plus not wasn't or weren't. It depends on the subject. And then the question, in the question you have to remember that I put the helping verb in the beginning, was or were, plus the subject, plus the complement of the sentence with the question mark. Now, with the verbs to do, you have to remember one thing, that when I want to change a verb to its past form, the regular verb, they take ed. So, verb 1 plus ed, the base form of the verb with ed, they give me the past form of the verb, which is verb 2. The first positive form is the subject, then verb and ed. It means verb 2. Now, in the negative form, I put the subject in the beginning and I use the helping verb did because I need a helping verb to put it with not plus the verb in the base form. So I don't put the verb in the past, I don't use verb to, because if I use did, I cannot have the verb to in the same sentence. So I cannot have two verbs in the past together in one sentence. And the question form, in the question form, I put the helping verb did in the beginning with the subject and then the verb in the base form. So I don't keep the verb in the past form. I change it to verb 1, so in the base form. Let's see a set of examples with the verb to be. Look at the picture. A positive example, they were friends. They, it takes were because it's plural. They weren't friends, not sticks with were. The question form, were they friends? I put the helping verb in the beginning to change the question with the question mark. Now, a set of examples with verbs to do. Look at the second picture. They work together. Look at the verb in green. It's verb 2. It's work and I added to it ed. They didn't work together. So notice that work is verb 1 here because I have did. So I can't have two verbs in the past together in the same sentence. And the question, I put did in the beginning. Did they work together? And I changed the verb from verb 2 to verb 1. From verb 2 to verb 1. From past to present. Now we finished our grammar revision. I want you now to do page 6 in your book and pages 3 and 4 in the workbook. See you later.